Exploring the Melting Pot, a fusion of cultures. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and beautiful concept, a fusion of cultures. This phrase paints a picture of diversity, inclusivity, and unity, bringing together various traditions, customs, and practices to create something unique and enriched. Whether you're learning English or just curious about cultural phenomena, understanding this concept can open your eyes to the world's incredible diversity. Let's explore together. The phrase, a fusion of cultures, refers to the blending or merging of different cultural elements from various backgrounds. Think of it as a culinary metaphor, where ingredients from different cuisines are combined to create a new dish that has its own distinct flavor and appeal. In cultural terms, this fusion can be seen in music, food, fashion, language, and everyday practices, where influences from different communities come together to form a new, cohesive cultural identity. This fusion enriches societies, making them more vibrant and diverse. Cultural fusion is all around us, manifesting in various aspects of life. Food, dishes that combine elements from different cuisines, like Tex-Mex, a blend of Texas and Mexican cuisines, or Chindian, Chinese-Indian cuisine, showcasing how culinary practices from two cultures can create mouth-watering dishes. Music, genres like reggaeton or jazz, which have roots in multiple cultural traditions, blending African, Caribbean, and American influences to produce unique sounds. Language, the emergence of Pidgin and Creole languages, which develop when speakers of different languages come into contact and blend elements of those languages into a new form. Fashion, modern fashion often incorporates designs, patterns, and techniques from various cultures, creating garments that reflect a global influence. A fusion of cultures doesn't just create new types of music, food, or art. It also fosters understanding, respect, and tolerance among people of different backgrounds. By experiencing and appreciating the richness of another culture, individuals can break down barriers, debunk stereotypes, and build more inclusive communities. This fusion encourages dialogue, collaboration, and innovation, leading to a more interconnected and harmonious world. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fusion of cultures. This beautiful phenomenon reminds us that when we come together, embracing and combining our differences, we can create something truly remarkable. It's a testament to humanity's creativity, adaptability, and capacity for unity. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about the cultures around you and see the beauty in our diverse world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.